the light of the world. Amen. He said, I am the door for the sheep. Amen, somebody. I am the door for the sheep. Amen. If you're lost and if you're wondering, amen, Jesus is the way. Amen, somebody. As a matter of fact, he said, I am the good shepherd. Amen. That means that I won't only be your door for the sheep, but when the sheep come in, I'll take care of them. I'll make sure that they're nourished right. I'll make sure that they're treated right. I will make sure that nobody, amen, will mistreat them and dog them out. Why? Because I'll be the good shepherd. Amen. Anything that you go through, I guarantee you, amen, that I will be there to bring you out. I'll be there to comfort you. I'll be there to meet every need that you have. Why? Because I am the good shepherd. Y'all ain't saying nothing. He said, I am the resurrection and the life. I'm the resurrection. I'm the life. Amen. I don't care how bad your situation is, even if it comes to the point where it's dead. He said, I am the resurrection. That means if it's dead, I'll bring it back to life. Amen. I don't know what you're going through today, and you may say it's dead, it's over with. Amen. I might well throw in the towel, but the devil is alive, because Jesus said, I am the resurrection. I'll bring that thing back to life. And he said, I am the way. The way. If you don't understand, amen, which way to go, Jesus said, I'm the way. I'm the way. I don't care what kind of religion they try to impose on you. Amen. I don't care about doctrine and denomination. He said, I am the way. Amen. I am the truth. I am the life. Amen. Somebody, if you need to know which way to go, amen, stop today trying to figure out and let you know that today is Jesus. Amen. He's the way. He said, I am the way. He said, I am the true vine. The true vine. Amen. That means if you connected to me, amen,